Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 7th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Unbelievable day today. I'll just give you the statistics, and then I want to talk about what happened because it's really interesting. We closed out $8,530 in closed out trades. I guess that's not too bad, but we are carrying over $27,000 in open trade equity. The Dow Jones Industrial Average kind of did what I was feeling it was about to do. It took off over 105 points. It hasn't taken out its high yet, but I mean, folks, this is just an unbelievable bull market. I had something happen. I have two trading platforms. And one of them is an old version of TradeStation, and the other is multi-charts. And I've been running both of them. And today, just for the heck of it, I wanted to see how the multi-charts would look when I was posting on my website and on Twitter and StockTwits and all those types of things. So I had both platforms going, although I was trading off the old version, the old platform. And Murphy's Law is the worst things will happen at the worst possible time. And God, I wish I had been trading the new platform today. The reason being is, even though these are the same platforms and they're feeding off the same data stream, which is eSignal, they come up with just slightly different trades. It's not a big difference, very slight difference, but there's this one market that we trade called Neurocrine Biosciences. I think that's NBIX. And it hadn't done really too much for us up to this time, but the new platform took a trade yesterday, went long in Neurocrine Biosciences. The old trading platform that I actually have my money on did not, and so I didn't take that trade yesterday. Anyway, I make a long story short. Neurocrine Biosciences gained 85% today. I mean, like almost doubling its value. I mean, this is an unbelievable move for any stock. And it had something to do with they developed some new drug or something, and the stock went absolutely through the stratosphere. That trade, had I taken it with the new platform, would have been worth today almost $50,000. You heard me correct. I'm not saying $5,000. I'm saying $50,000. It wasn't too long ago when I was living in a house that only cost $50,000. $50,000 in one single trade. Well, it's not a total loss because the old software or the old platform with the system, the same system, got into this trade 30 minutes into the day, and the thing still went up and up and up, and we are holding over $17,000 in open trade in Neurocrine Biosciences. So that accounts for most of that $27,000 in open trade equity we're carrying. But this is just an incredible trade. The biggest one, it's bigger than even the biggest one last year. So I am very excited. I love to see this. This really verifies that my trading approach is really good. It will make you rich if you stick with it, folks. I think it's the best in the world. Anyway, let me show you the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I am showing you this on the new multi-charts platform that I'm kind of experimenting with, but probably will be switching to this pretty soon. Multi-charts is a very nice program, and it also allows you to do automated trading. So I'm recommending this pretty highly for anybody that's interested in trading my system, particularly if they want to trade it through automation. Anyway, you can see here the Dow took off today, and then just kind of flattened out and then finished up over 105 points today. And this is the high, so it hasn't taken out its high yet, but bull market on steroids. This market is very powerful. I'm going to show you one trade. I can't show you more than one trade because there's nothing to talk about after this. This is the trade in Neurocrine Biosciences, and you can see that this just looks flat as a board, and compared with the volatility today, this was in our portfolio. It was just sitting there. I wasn't sure what kind of market it was, but my research showed that it might do something. And as I say, if I was trading my system and in multi-charts, it would have bought this thing on this tiny little hump. I don't even know if you can see it. That is, by the way, insider buying. It always takes place, and that's why my system works. It catches insider buying. Anyway, so the market opens all the way up here, and on our old software, the software that I put my money on, we bought this 30 minutes into the day. It still was a great trade. We're holding over $17,000 in open trade as a result of buying this thing on this huge gap. But had we bought it down here, folks, that would have been profits enough to buy a house, almost $50,000, the biggest trade I've seen in about 14 months. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, great day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.